Pineapple on pizza is delicious. I asked ChatGPT if it's appropriate to put pineapple on pizza, and ChatGPT said that it's sweet and savory and sophisticated. So that argument has been laid to rest. So let's get on with today's build. And we're going to show you how I built a What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to build a live edge charcuterie board. This is the final product. This is made out of black walnut, and as you can see, I do have a hard maple inlay. Truth be told, I did make a mistake on this. This is my first attempt. The state of Texas, that's a hard maple. That went in no problem, but I did have trouble combining the hard maple letters with the black walnut. I don't know where I made a mistake. It's just I could not combine the two. I don't know why. So what I did was I filled the letters with food safe epoxy. I tinted it black. It looks okay, but I definitely think this is the side that we're going to be using. Now, I did make this 100% on my CNC machine, which, you know, thank God for the CNC machine, because I can't do an inlay like this by hand. I can make this design, the outline of the charcuterie by hand. All you have to do really is go to Etsy and you can get a plexiglass template to use with your hand router, and you could just make this shape or 1,000 other shapes, whatever you want, and it's not terribly expensive either. But again, the CNC did all of this, so this is what we're gonna go over today. So let's get busy and build a charcuterie board. Okay, so this isn't going to be a tutorial of V Carve-Pro, but rather I just want to show you how easy it is to design a charcuterie board in V Carve-Pro. I kind of cheated. I downloaded a bunch of files from Etsy. Let me show you what this looks like. Look at all of these charcuterie board designs. There's what? There's about 45 here. I got another 30. This in total cost me about $5. This is the design I went with, and let me just show you what it looks like on V Carve-Pro. Here you go. I'm putting in the state of Texas. I also got this outline from Etsy for about $2. And then the text is easy to manipulate. You got your text function here, your text on a curve, and there's about 1 million different fonts you could choose. So it's real simple, very easy. This charcuterie board design right here, it probably took me 5 minutes. So next step, we're going to start cutting on the CNC. Okay guys, we're done. As you saw, the CNC did the heavy lifting here. I think it looks fantastic though. Again, you don't need a CNC to build a charcuterie board. It does help with the inlay, and it does make carving the outline a lot easier, but you don't need a CNC, especially to carve the outline of a charcuterie board. Like I mentioned in the beginning, you could buy a template on Etsy for like 10 bucks to use with your hand router, and you can make these outlines all day long. Guys, if you're new to the channel, if you liked what you saw, if you think I deserved it, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.